need to get back over here.
Hey guys, we're back, and my brother just got his new truck, and it's Gravedigger, and he's gonna try moving both of those off the porch. And my stepdad's recording too.
She's like, we're getting that on this one.
Push it!
Ah, push!
Hey, look, you're still moving it.
Right here. Go! Go!
He's trying to make this truck push that. I don't think he's successing. Okay, now he got a little power in there. See, now the bucket's a little off. Come on, keep going. A little more.
Get off!
He did it!
Get it! You're not dying! Yeah.
My turn. Can I try?
Yeah.
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 Yeah. Here. Fluff it.
No. I get this like that.
First, I'm gonna try getting them off one by one, like you did.
Okay. Here's the bucket that we're using. We're gonna do this one first.
Here we go.
Hold on.
Full throttle.
Yeah!
Now, start the truck. The one and the only truck that Landon kept messing up on. Okay, are you ready?
Yeah.
Here we go.
Let's go, buddy!
Woo! See that, Drew?
Yeah, dude, I've been doing that. Oh, have you seen my guy?
Ah, my hat!
Oh, come on! Look at it! It's almost stuff. Gravedigger. Now, for the ultimate.
I have to move the bucket. In the truck, I have to move the bucket. In this truck, whoever it is. Oh, it's right there.
The bucket.
The truck to hit. No, keep it right there.
Right there, okay? Full throttle! Ah!
Hang on. I'll show you something, Landon.
Kiddo, I've done that already. Wow, you're whipping it.
Watch it.
Whip! Like we whip. Like we did, eh? Yes, kiddo, I know.
Yeah, I know. Ready? Here I go. Okay. Full throttle.
That's why if you don't crash it into this little chair. Then move this out of the way. Get out of here. Oh, look at my new shoes. Look at his boots. They're our mom's. They fit him. Let's go! Let's get it. Ah!
I got this.
And back or frontwards.
Now, don't hold it. I got it.
Okay, wait. Here we go!
Throttle to the right.
Woo! Oh wow, okay, well, you had to kick my car.
Sorry. Throttle to the left.
Politics, I want to put this right there. Oh, no, at the first step. I will make it easy for you.
I'm dead. Ah!
That.
I think it's almost dead.
Yeah!
Oh, I landed it. Ah!
Yeah, it's about to die.
It's dead. Okay, so
We're not ending the video yet.
Why?
Guys, we gotta show them the helicopter.
Oh, yeah. Here, let me turn this off. We're about to go inside.
Ow!
It's right there. So yeah, my mom's playing Naruto. You can see that really easily. Here.
Yeah, good luck playing Naruto. I think your mom done took that over.
It's hard. See, she's playing Naruto. If you guys know what Naruto is, click that like
Why are you
button.
wearing girls' boots? I'm about to put you on blast on YouTube.
I'd like to see you try.
Yeah, you're wearing girls' boots.
No, I'm not. I'm wearing my mommy
Those
boots.
are good boots.
I'm wearing my mommy boots.
Mm-hmm. Not wearing near charges though.
So yeah, we got these helicopters for Christmas.
Oh,
It's cold out.
Yeah, it's not cold.
It is so cold.
It's almost 60 degrees out there.
No, it's not. My fingers are freezing. Holy crap. Ah!
Hey, Howard, watch out.
As you can see, my brother sucks at flying airplanes.
It's called a helicopter.
A helicopter, whatever. They're sort of both the same.
Where the heck are my bullets?
I don't know.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna show them the fire. I'm gonna show you with one.
Really? You gotta flip the camera off like mom does?
Wow, the ball's not even all the way in.
Sucker. Suck. These nuts.
Wow.
Yeah, he sucks at flying.
No, I'll take cover.
Going high too much.
No, it's covering.
Down it goes. Here, I'm gonna show my airplane. Take the camera. Take the camera, Landon.
It's a missile.
I don't know what I'm trying to do.
You click the missile.
Yeah, I know. Okay. JK.
Shoot the dang missiles. Shoot the missile. As you can see, he just. And
He
down
shot
it
the
goes.
missile, so he got too excited.
Here. My turn. I'm gonna show
Okay,
them.
hold on, hold on.
Now I'm gonna fly mine. Mine's a lot easier to fly.
Yes, it is. I'm really
Here.
wanting to try it.
You can later.
Okay. Okay. 8:49, 8:50. What? It's the minutes. Gotta hurry. It's about to be over. What?
The one,
Can you see
no,
it?
the one for that one's up there.
We're at 9 minutes, Kendall. About to be over. Shoot. He's
Forget.
And he used the speaker twice. Oh my god. Is this gonna go down in a showdown? I don't know what I just said. Is it? No, he's not. No, he's not. It's the ground. He goes back up. Oh no, he goes near us. Oh my god. Ah! Oh shoot. Ah! That was right there. Right there.
Oh, literally right there.
Yes, right
Literally,
there.
it was right there.
Yes. there he goes. Oh, no, 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 no. I want a hug.
You want a hug?
Yowdy. Woo! It's going flying. Oh, wind. It's that point right in the rock. Right there. It's right there. It is right there. It is right there. Kill my shoe land. My shoe's right there. And he's not even close. Okay, my turn, right? Ooh, shoe land. Oh, shoe land. I almost. Can I try now?
Sure, go ahead.
So yeah, we're going on 11 minutes after my brother gets done flying this. We're gonna end the video right here.
Yeah, that one's easier to fly, isn't it? Them little ones.
So yeah, we're gonna end this video right here. Say bye later. Bye.
What are you doing?
Peace.
Trying to cut my foot off?